Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our channel. For a while now, Southeast has been in the news for so many reasons: insecurity, agitations, and all whatnot. And as we speak, so many security outfits has been up and running in the other parts of the region, but Southeast seem to be bringing out more and more security outfits. The first one we heard was one of ESN, done by Nnamdi Kanu, though rejected by the state governors of the state, saying that he doesn't have the right, or the legal backing to have a security outfit of that magnitude. They now opened their own ESN, that's Igbo Security Network. Right now, as we speak, more things are unfolding, and this time around, I think they're moving towards restoring peace. How they will do it, we have no idea. But in a moment, we're going to find out how they have decided to achieve this. But before we go into the news proper to find out what it is, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Where the Inspector General of Police, that's Usman Akalibaba, on Tuesday launched a new special operational action plan codenamed Operation Restore Peace to quell the indigenous people of Biafra and its arm, Eastern Security Network, over the uprising in the region. The police said in a release that the IGP launched this special operation at the Michael Okpara Square in Enugu as part of effort targeted at returning the southeastern region to its historical pride of place where its people are known to be peaceful, tolerant, innovative, industrious, and entrepreneurial. The first Public Relations Officer, CP Frank Mba, said the IGP noted that the special operation has become necessary to engender all-inclusive security actions to roll back the murderous attacks, violence, proliferation of weapons, and other threats to law and order occasioned by the separatist agenda being heightened by the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, and its arm wing, the Eastern Security Network, ESN, in the southeast region. The IGP observed that activities of the group in the region have assumed an armed dimension in which important political and community leaders as well as personnel and assets of the Nigerian police, military, and other security agencies, critical national infrastructure, are being constantly targeted in clearly well-coordinated, premeditated manners. This is in addition to deepening inter-ethnic prejudice and intolerance, unjustifiable inter-ethnic violence and counter-violence, loss of lives, and massive destruction of properties. The IGP, while appreciating individual and collective effort of all the southeastern governors and other critical stakeholders in the region towards supporting the police in restoring security and strengthening national unity, assured the nation that in the coming days, the special operation will be extended to other parts of Southeast region to confront criminal elements, take the battle to their doorsteps, and reorder our cherished national values in the region. The IGP further noted that the Operation Restore Peace will be replicated in other parts of the country to address peculiar crimes including banditry, kidnapping, armed robbery, cultism, amongst others. The operation will be carried out by operatives of the force in collaboration with the armed forces, the intelligence community, and other sister security agencies. The personnel deployed have been charged to be civil with the law-abiding citizens, but firm and ruthless with criminal elements operating under any guise whatsoever who may attempt to test the collective will of the people. This is coming days after reports on Saturday that the Nigerian army also began a 7-day show of force through its 82 division in Enugu State to quell the IPOB and ESN uprising in the region. My God, this is now a different dimension. Much more securities are coming up in that region. A whole lot of them are actually concentrating on the southeastern region. Well, I guess in the coming days, a lot of things will be unfolding from that region. But let's, before we begin to look into this very critically, because obviously there will have to be more things to look into. I would like you to let's go through commentaries, because Nigerians have reacted. Don't forget that Southeast is not the only troubled region. We still have the Northeast. In the North, generally, I have a feeling a whole lot of what is happening, Boko Haram and the rest. So Nigerians are reacting quite differently to this. But let's just take a cross section uncensored what Nigerians are saying. This one here is saying, "Ride down with one Nigerian to keep Nigeria one is a tax that must be done. All reasonable and sensible Nigerians share your pain and agony you daily face in the hands of these guys." This one here is saying, "The God of our forefathers will not allow Biafran land to fall." He say, okay. This one here is saying, "It's all about IPOB and ESN, eh? What about the herdsmen and bandits hiding in the forest?" Nobody has answered that question he asked, because he asked a very strong question here. This one says, "Stop killing Igbos because of IPOB, please." This one here says, why in East and not in North? May you not understand all this you are doing? Oh my God, I don't understand it. Maybe he's not trying to say something different, but let's continue anyway. This one here says, "Amadioha will deal with all of you. Go and restore peace in the North." This one here is saying, Operation RP, which is Operation Restore Peace, or is it Rest in Peace? Okay, actually the code name is ORP, that's Operation RP. So he's not saying, is it Rest in Peace? No, it's actually Operation Restore Peace. Maybe in a place that is heated up, they're trying to restore peace. This one here is saying, "Call all the agitators to a round-table discussion, round-table conference, and stop exposing the police to danger." Honestly, I keep saying this. I don't know why nobody's saying it from that angle. Can we not really dialogue? Can we not go to a round-table discussion and really iron this out like brothers and sisters? Because let's look until we look at this in this dimension, we may actually be seeing it in different. But another thing again that's causing this whole problem of agitation and everybody trying to guard their ancestral land is simply because there have been marginalization. There have been unfair treatment. The law has not been fully fair. Some citizens seem to be higher than others. If not, call these guys on a roundtable discussion, find out what is the challenge, and when they tell you their challenges, look into it. Honestly, I'm just imagining the security personnel, how they're going to divide themselves. Some will be in the north, but I don't know how they're going to fizzle this out. You go through to the north, some will be coming to the, some will go moving down to the south, maybe southeast. No. The people that will be more endangered is going to be the security personnel. Can we not just avoid this? Can we not just look into the issue of dialogue and discuss it? Just find out the pains of the people, why they're agitating, and find a way around it, so that we don't keep losing lives. All life matters, including the life of citizens, life of agitators, and the life of our personnel. They're all important. I think leadership skill is strongly needed in this situation. Let's meet in our comment section. What's your take on this?